Hello everybody! Здравейте на всички! Днес с нашия партньор от Hyundai Jeremy ще ви разкажем за панелите, които те произвеждат и технологията, която ползват. Hello everybody! Together with Jeremy we will present you the products of Hyundai and you will be part of the Jeremy's presentation about the PV modules of Hyundai. Jeremy?
Hello, nice to see you, everybody. So at the screen, I can only see Peter. So I'm talking with others, right?
Yep, there is attendees below.
Okay.
And
so
the meeting is recorded, and after that will be sent to our customers.
Okay. So can I? Oh, it's not live, right? You will record it and send to the customer later.
Now it's live and recorded, and there is attendance below. So they cannot speak, they can only chat, and you will see the questions in the chat. Please type if you hear us well. And you will see that
Okay, so can you open the presentation material that I sent, the company profile?
You can open it in the presentation. Do you have access to that?
I sent you email.
Yes, it's uploaded in the system.
So can you open it? As I see the screen, I can see only one of a data sheet. NJ series, Hyundai solar module.
Okay, just a second. Introduction, do you want this presentation?
Yes.
Okay. You see it now?
Yes, can I go to next page, please? So I can start right now, right?
Yeah, and you can do it with the mouse and you can change it. Okay, I will change the slides. No worries.
Okay. So Hyundai, we very globally has a strong brand name, and we estimate pivotal to South Korea's economy for over 70 years. It was like Hyundai was established in 1947, and we are leading world biggest shipbuilding, and we are also global manufacturer of car, and we are one of the biggest construction company. And so far we spent a lot of effort to make our brand name high, and so right now we are also focusing global renewable energy sector. So as you see the next page, we are one of a branch of the Hyundai, and we call HT Hyundai, and we are established in 1972, and we are number one biggest shipbuilding company in the world, and also biggest marine engine maker in the world. Our sales revenue was $45 billion last year, and we are one of a member of a Fortune 500 company. As you see it, we have a various industry involved, and PV is very small part, lesser than 1% of our total revenue. So next page is our stock relationship between our group, Hyundai Group, and we are the mother company, so HT Hyundai, and there are a lot of branch company was related, and we 53% of our stocks are owned by Korean shipbuilding and offshore engineering, and Korean shipbuilding and offshore was also like owned by Hyundai. And right now, remain 47% of our stock was listed on the Korean stock market. So let's go to the next page. So Hyundai, a lot of people knows Hyundai brand, but do not exactly know about when Hyundai started. We started business from 2004, about 20 years ago, and we make our capacity and try to start the business aggressively since 2010. So 2010, 2011, it was like 13, 14 years ago. And remember, we supply a lot of panel to Bulgarian market also. And we were spin off and established Hyundai Green Energy in 2016 to focus on PV industry. Later, our group has been separated, so we may change the name as a Hyundai Energy Solution. And so our group as a restart as a HT Hyundai. So let me explain our product line. There is on the left, there is a P single type, but it was sold out, and this model we do not supply anymore. Right now, we supply HAT, Heteromax, to the residential and industrial. For residential, we have two main models. One is a full black, which is a main focus on Western European market, and also we have a black frame residential for Eastern and Middle and Eastern European market, and we also have OJ series, which is for industrial. So we have three different kind of a module we are supplying. Let's go next page. So we have a capacity for 4.3 gigawatt. We are very small compared to our competitors, such as Longji, Jinko, JA, Trina. They have over 100 gigawatt, but we just made a small factory in Korea, and we do not spend money to increase the capacity, to focus on R&D. And we found the European market restart. It was very booming before, but it was closed and restart from the 5 years ago. And we felt our Korean product is very hard to compete in European market. So we made the Chinese partner and supply European market made in Korea model. So we have a factory in Korea, but supply to Korean market and US market only. Europe, we supply made in China product. There is a Hyundai, next page is for Hyundai bankability. It's listed on the Bloomberg Tier 1 panel, but it was 2022 data. Right now, we are eliminated. Because to keep the Bloomberg Tier 1, we have to supply 5 different projects, which is over 5 megawatt by 5 different financing. But we just focus on residential market because like Hyundai is known as like brand name. So residential customer requests our panel so much. So we will eliminate it. So right now we try to rejoin Tier 1 right now, but not yet. But we are also rating 5A1, which is the strongest rate assigned by DNB. But somebody requests, some customer requests Tier 1, Bloomberg Tier 1, but we said, hey, we are Hyundai. It's just like a Bloomberg make a listed, but our company is like Fortune 500 company, and we can possible. I mean, we have a like reliability and all of the reference to supply for the project. For next page, our certification and quality assurance. We are the member of PBL, Kiwa, and certification for UL and VLD also. For next page for our reference, we have a lot of reference. Bulgaria, as I told you, we are like a 10% market share. Was Bulgarian government stopped the feed-in tariff in 2011, but later we mainly focus on just residential. The Bulgarian residential market started like recently, but we also supply it. So we have one big partner in Ruse, Bulgaria area. This year we supply over 10 megawatt to them, and we have just several EPC or end user contacted us, but they're small. And also we consider BayWa as a big partner. BayWa with a headquarters in Germany, with the biggest our like customers. So we also want to relate. We also have a relationship with BayWa Poland, and I wish we have a good businesses of BayWa Bulgaria also. So can I see the data sheet that I send you, Peter? Can I see the data sheet, please?
Yes, just a second.
Yes.
Just to close the presentation, and we can open the data sheet. This one?
Yes. Let's see which one you open it. Can I see the MF model? Not this one.
Just a second. You can go on the left with presentations, and you can see all the files, and you can choose from them also. Is this the correct one that you want?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this one I want to explain it. This when we start to supply N-type, we chose HAT, heterojunction, because it is efficiency is higher than top cone. So we thought like it was a fit with Hyundai, but most of our competitors chose top cone instead of HAT, and they just co-work with the equipment company, and their efficiency goes very fast. But we also have a merit. So we have as you see, we have first our product HAT has a low temperature coefficient on the data sheet. So like even like most of our competitors guarantee 25 years and 30 years warranty, but our decretion rate is very small compared to our competitors. As you see the like bottom of the middle of the first page, our decretion later was a much less. 30 years, we can guarantee almost 90% efficiency. And also, it's a very strong point for Hyundai. Like everybody, 20 like guaranteed 25 years, 30 years, but who knows who will remain 30 years later? Like PV market going up and down so rapidly, but we are Hyundai. Hyundai was a very big company, and we have a very different industry. So sometimes it goes good, sometimes not, but we are very small. And to make our brand name high, we spend a lot of energy and money to it for a long time. So I can say Hyundai is the only company who can guarantee 30 years warranty, definitely. So it is our strongest. So we use a double glass, and we are very strong for humidity and like earthquake and wind, strong wind, and like even the temperature. Like our like HAT keeps the reliability high and with a branding. So right now the MF is first we made it as a full black, but little side as a data sheet, little side of blue color is left, and we have. Let me show you another our main model. Peter, I can click for presentation, right?
Yes, first you have to close the opened one, and then in the presentation you can open.
I have to close?
No, did you open the correct one that you want, or I can help you with?
Yeah, I did it, but I want to open it again. But
first you have to close this data sheet that you opened, and after that you can choose from the files what file you need.
How can I close it?
How can you close it? Below. Okay.
Okay.
You did it now.
Oh, it comes again.
Okay. Now it's closed. Now you go to the presentation and you choose what file you want. Go in the left to the presentation. Did you open the correct one?
This for OF series is like data sheet is almost same as MF, and it's not full black with a white backsheet. So right now for MF, we have a 435 watt P module in warehouse in Rotterdam, and OF we have a 440 watt P Rotterdam. And just as I have a webinar, I just found the email arrived from Anna from Poland. So she gave me the purchase order. So I think it is possible to supply to Bulgaria because have a stock. Just wait a second.
Yes, it is.
네, 내가 조금만 이따 전화드릴게요. 죄송합니다. 조금만요. 예. We also have. Can you close these pages also?
Yes.
Close it, please.
Okay.
So it is for our G12. Previous one was a G10. We use the bigger cell on new model, so we also have a stock in the Rotterdam. And for this model, we make the bigger cell and make the efficiency higher. So it is right now we have a stock for 445 and 450 watt P in Rotterdam warehouse. So can you close it again, please?
Yes, of course.
This is for commercial, but right now you have a 585, 590 main for NI series, and we have another one, NJ series, 625 and 630. For NI and NGL series, for it's a commercial, we just directly ship from China to like any European port, main port, like a Brugas or like Constanța, if like customer requests that. We do not supply as a container base. We supply as an exact amount that customer needed. So this module, we do not have a very big size yet, but this was like also used for commercial rooftop also. So those are our product lines. So our main focus on residential, but also commercial, we have it. So we have a strengthness for brand name, and also we have a reliability and possible to guaranteed 30 years warranty. And not only for it, like we have HAT module has a very strongness for like degradation rate is very small and very strong for our competitors. So those are our product, and we are not the cheapest, but to make our brand name high, we spend a lot of do it. So please understand, and I wish you to have a good business with Hyundai. Okay, it's my like short time like presentation of Hyundai product is over. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremy. Let's check if the customers have some questions regarding the products. There is one question in the chat. What happened with the Schindler technology?
I beg your pardon?
There is one question in the chat. What happened with the Schindler technology?
Shingle? Shingle is a P-type, your old module. So we just sold out in the August this year. So right now we do not have supply anymore. In Bulgarian market, we mostly supply shingle for 2 or 3 years, but we do not do it.
Yeah, because all the market is really recognizable with the Schindler technology and very well known about the best quality. And probably this is because
Shingle was it's a very it's a good for design, but outlook was a very popular. It looks good, but for shingle there is some hardness to increase the capacity. I mean, increase the efficiency. So we chose HAT instead of a shingle. So we do not supply shingle anymore. I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay. It was just curiosity of the customer. I understand it because many times I received requests. Do you have some availability of shingle technology? And I respond as you. It's old technology.
It's very. We are considered to restart it, but not yet. I cannot answer for it.
Okay. Okay. Is there any other questions? I will wait for some questions in the chat. There is next question. How much is the lead time for ENI modules? Which is the production time to delivery?
If customer order?
Yeah.
For those, you mean if you order the module that we have a stock in the Rotterdam?
No. If we are talking about modules with big power, which is not available, and if there is an order for a big power of module,
60 days after order. Yeah.
Yes. How much is the production time till delivery? This is the question. Do you see the chat?
If we got a purchase order from Baiwa, we can supply in 60 days. Until the
60 days.
Yes, 2 months.
The European 2 months.
Yes.
Do you see the chat or you don't see it?
Do I see the chat?
Yes, in the chat are the questions.
No, I can't see it. I cannot join it. The chat inactive. I don't know the reason. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, I will read you the questions. This is why I'm asking,
Yes,
because the question is in the
it.
chat. No worries. Okay, so delivery is 2 months to our warehouse and 2 extra weeks.
Yes. I think you can.
Okay.
You don't have to put in your warehouse. Just you can supply directory after custom clearance.
No, it's mandatory for our policy to first to enter our warehouse and after that to deliver to customers. We cannot deliver directly from the port or something like that.
Yes, I see.
It will be faster, but the company's policy is to ship first to our warehouse and then to the customer. Doesn't matter if it's a 2 megawatt project or 5 megawatt or it's just 10 pallets or something like that. First, the stock have to enter our warehouse, and after that, it should be delivered to the customer's required address. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
We can close the data sheet and we'll just wait a few minutes if there is some other questions. Jeremy, do you see me? Do you hear me? I see one more question. How much if we want to extend the warranty? The standard warranty is 25 years, and I will check if there is more extension and let you know. Okay. Jeremy, are you here? Because I see that you type in the chat, but I don't see you. Okay, thank you for your time and for the participation. Благодаря ви за отделеното време и за участието. Надявам се презентацията да ви е била интересна и пожелавам спорен ден на всички.